Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to share a quick interesting tip for those who maybe don't know. I got a request to make a soap series or wedding favors for a wedding with 3 particular essential oils. A very special request because the people involved have to do with forest and trees and so forth. So they wanted a birch meadowsweet and a lurch kind of essential oil, like a mixture of these, and then one with tea tree oil. So my problem was, how do I make these essential oils really stick to the soap? As we know that essential oils have the tendency to dissipate while the saponification process, so to speak. So I was researching a little bit, and then one of my soap maker friends from Italy, Olivia Soap, she's on Instagram. She's specializing in essential oil soaps, and she told me what she does is she's anchoring it with cornstarch. I've never heard of it before. I knew about other types of clay, but never cornstarch. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna give this one a try. This is just a regular cornstarch that you find in any grocery store. So I basically added the essential oil to a jar, and I added the cornstarch. I gave it a good mix. You can also shake it when it's in the glass in here. And I let it sit for, what did I let it sit? Maybe 1 week. I don't think it's necessary to have it sit so long. And then I soaked with it. I'm going to show you the result. So this one here is the one with the meadowsweet, and the fragrance is really holding very well onto these soaps here. This one here is tea tree and charcoal. I've never had any issues with tea tree oil not staying strong in the soap, so that was anyways not an experiment for me. And then this one here is the birch, sweet birch. Also, fragrance is nice and strong. I'm really happy with it. So what I did after unmolding, I just let it sit for a couple of days, weeks, and then I just steamed it with, I'm using my regular iron. You can use a regular iron, it works perfectly, so that the finish would look nice. These are rustic looking. It's basically one soap and then cut in half, but these people also wanted to go for a very rustic type of look, so this was working very well for them, and this is how they turn out. I thought you might want to know about this trick. I was happy to learn about it. That's why I'm sharing it with you.